Good morning, children. Once again, welcome to your political science class. Children, as you remember that in my previous video, I was teaching you one chapter, power sharing, from your political science book. And in that chapter, we discussed the case studies of two countries. One country was Belgium and the other country was Sri Lanka. So today we are going to continue the same chapter, power sharing, and today I will tell you that how power is shared among different organs of the government. Different organs of the government means that how power is shared between legislature, judiciary and executive. So first of all, I will tell you that what is legislature. Legislature is the parliament or is the place where the law and the policies for the country are framed. Executive means the government which is elected by the people of the country, and judiciary means the judicial system, means Supreme Court, High Court and all the district and other courts, together they form the judiciary. So today in this video we are going to see that how the power is shared among these organs of the government. So children, you know, at the time of making of the Constitution of India, the people who framed the Constitution, they were very well aware that if the power will not be shared equally among these organs of the government, then in future it may create lot of problems. So they decided that the executive, the judiciary and the legislative, they should be given equal powers. Means you can say that they are placed on a same horizontal platform, means that they have equal powers. And this system is also known as check and balance system. Why this system is known as check and balance system? Because in this kind of arrangement, the judiciary, the legislative and executive, they check the powers of each other and they balance the powers of each other. That's why this system is also known as the check and balance system. Children, in our country, the power is shared not only among the different organs of the government equally, the power is shared in our country equally among different groups which are living or which are found in our country. As you know that India is a country of differences. Different kind of people are living in India. Different kind of people, I mean that people speaking different language or languages, people following different religions, they all are living together. So in our country, the power is shared equally among different religious groups also and different linguistic groups or language groups also. Not only that, in our country, such arrangements are done so that the powers are shared equally among different groups or pressure groups which are living in our country. They all are treated equally and no group ever feels that the other group is superior than it, or no group ever feels that this group is inferior to it. All the groups which are found in this country, in our democratic country, they all are treated equally, or in other words you can say that they are given equal powers. Children, besides this, the power in our country is shared equally among different levels of the government also. Actually, our country has 3 levels of government. One government we have in the center or in the capital, which is known as the central government or the union government. The other government we have or we see in the states, all the states they have their own government, that is known as the state government. And beside that, we have a government at grassroots level, which is also known as local self-government. So, if you see minutely, you will find that the three levels of the government also share equal powers, or in some way, the central government has been given more power, but the central government has no right to interfere with the powers of the local self-government or the state government. So, in this chapter, we saw that how the system of power sharing works in our country for the betterment of the people, for the development and progress of the country. Thank you, children. And the question answer related to this chapter I will give you to in next video in PDF form. So you all are requested to please copy down all the question answers which I am giving you in PDF form. Thank you.